Amazon Prime Day number 2. Today is a very interesting one. I'm going to go through games. Yeah, games. Because during times of crisis, you need some normalcy, and these games do not disappoint. We own them, and we love them. Of course, I'll link them all below too. And I'm going to start off putting one of my favorite games on here, our family favorite, that is Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza. We love this game. $8. Super simple game. Everybody in the family loves it. And of course, everybody loves the classic game of Uno, but this one is even better. It's an Uno attack game. You know, the cards are thrown out, but this one is thrown out of a dinosaur's mouth. So a lot of fun for the kids. This is just a big winner in our family. Have you ever played Ticket to Ride? Fantastic. A train game. Train games are just fun anyway. It's a train adventure game for your friends and family. We love this as a family. It's a little bit longer game, which is actually good because you get a lot of family time. Really fun. And we also have Ticket Ride First Journey for the kids, the young kids that is, and it's great because it has a shorter play time, but still fun. By far growing up, I loved Candyland. That was my game. But you know what? Guess what? Today they have Candyland Bluey, all the same Candyland fun, but of course has Bluey, which makes it extra fun. I don't know if you have this, but you might want to consider picking up if you have littler kids. And last but certainly not least is Catan. You ever played this game? Definitely for older kids. It's a long play time. The strategy on this is just so much fun. And you can have all kinds of different variances as you go through. We love Catan. There you go. The games you're going to want to pick up, I'll link them all below. We are Amazon affiliates. We get a portion of the sale. But I say this all the time. We really mean it. We say thank you because it helps our channel. We try to keep our videos, everything free for you. And it's nice that you'll be able to help us this way as well. But you know what? This is a win-win because games, it doesn't even have to be during a crisis, but games are just fun and excellent for family time. So these ones we love, I would consider picking them up. As always, thanks for watching, everybody. Hey, real quick, in the comments, what are some of the games you'd add to this list? Because you know what? We're game people. Our family loves to play them, and we'd like to see what you like to play too. Thanks for watching.